Hello friends and welcome to a garage video. Yeah, it's one of those days. This is the new 390 Adventure R that I just traded my 390 Enduro R for. The 390 Enduro and I really didn't vibe, but I feel like the Adventure and I are going to vibe a little better. So I didn't really put any money, really much time or effort into modding out the Enduro. I just wanted to kind of review it. But I think I might keep the Adventure for a little longer. So we are going to start with the mods today. And our friends from Cyclops Adventure Lighting are coming down from Washington to install, I don't even know what. They said, do you want us to put stuff on that? I said, yes. Excited to hang out with those guys all day. They're always a riot. And obviously I'll link everything they put on the bike in the description. And Chewy and I, he's like, put me on camera, are gonna hang out with those guys today. It's gonna be great. So they don't often make house calls, but you can actually have them install whatever you buy from them at their shop in Kent. So if you're in Washington, you can just take your bike to them and they'll do everything that they're gonna do today on my bike for you. And they're just good dudes, so good company, support them. Lights, visibility, make sure drivers can see you, all good things. All right, let's rock and roll. While I wait for those guys to get here, I'm putting my Motion Pro foot pegs, and they're awesome. So look how much wider they are on this bike. Those guys are in Bend, good company, so I'll link that too for you. Look who's in my garage. It's Darryl and Brian again with their concierge door-to-door delivery service, which not everyone gets. But like I said, you can go to their place in Kent, and they'll put stuff on your bike for you. So what are we doing today, fellas?
Now we're going to put our new Aries light on here.
Ooh,
All CNC, billet aluminum, tri-optic, so it gives us about a 15 to 20 degree light beam. So it's very good for punching a good distance and you get some good fill out of it. All the cords match all of our other lights, so they're interchangeable, along with our new wiring harnesses that are plug and play for most bikes and also modular. So say a guy gets a harness and doesn't get the dimmer right away, he can come back later and just get the dimmer that plugs into the existing harness. So no rewiring your bike, and makes it super simple.
That's what idiots like me need.
Modular stuff. Like this is the base harness. You can put a relay on that if you just want high beam activation. If you decide you want dimmer in the future, you call us up. Here's the new top. Click. Now it's a dimmer.
We can go amber?
Yes.
Yes, and it comes with the light. It's not something you have to buy afterwards. We're also doing the P3 system for the rear.
What does that do? I mean, I know, but for people that don't.
For people who don't know, so that is a rear conspicuancy light system that has a patented conspicuancy flicker in it while you're in taillight mode, standard operating mode. Anytime you hit the brakes, it has a flashing sequence, very attention getting. And the particular version we're putting on Ben's bike has a turn signal option. So it will flash along with the turn signals.
Yeah.
Get more people's attention behind you. Quit getting rear-ended by people you don't know.
And you'll see what that looks like. It's one thing to say it, it's another to see it. So we'll show you when we get it rolling. But all right, I'm excited to watch you guys work today. Yeah, that's my favorite kind of project.
Watch other people do stuff.
That's right. These guys are wasting no time, just tearing my bike apart. No big deal. Is there an easily accessible factory plug on this side that it just plugs right into? How does that work?
Yeah, so behind here, you got ACC1, constant power, ACC2, switched power. That's what we use. So everything's back here. You're not running anything back to the batteries and all that stuff.
So it's kind of like the 790 then? It's all behind the headlight?
It's all the same idea.
Nice.
So they've carried that through their entire line. So anything that's an adventure bike, the 390s, the 690s, 701s, 790s, 890s, they all have ACC1 and 2 in them.
So this will be a similar, if someone doesn't have a 390 but they have like a 701, it's a similar setup.
Yeah.
Like this would be helpful to them.
Yes, it would. And more of the new bikes are coming with accessory dongles on them.
Yes.
Like they finally figured out, hey, people like to put stuff on their bikes, and let's make it easy for them.
If Brian's tearing stuff apart, Daryl's back here putting stuff on already.
Yeah, we're getting the P3 light set up.
There will be a license plate in front of that eventually when it comes.
Got some better tools now.
They're the same ones, they're just better organized.
Better organized.
Dang, you guys are going to be done like in time to go have breakfast. Look who just sat down perfectly in the shot again. How does he do that? I did not train this dog to find his mark every time. He's just really good at it.
Right
no way, it's labeled?
Yeah.
That-
ACC1,
Oh my God.
ACC2, there you go.
I'm going to say something I've never said before.
Huh.
KTM is consumer friendly in that aspect.
So one thing, if you plan on working on the front of your bike, put it on the lift the other way. especially if you're going to be running accessories, because you end up turning your handlebars back and forth and back and forth.
Never even thought to do that.
Future.
I could do that when I change front tires too, now that you mention it. Now I know. Knowing's half the battle.
G.I. Joe.
I mean, I don't care if it makes your job harder, but when it's me,
Right.
I'm going to want to know that.
You're going to want to know this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run this wire through here so it kind of is hidden. And put your license plate right over the top of this guy. That
Easy
way,
peasy.
because there's not a great spot if I come around this side to hold that wire for a few inches. So
this is like your little...
The only thing more fun than working while someone's watching you is when they're like shoving a camera in your face. And,
Right in it.
look, that's why we're here. This is how I contribute.
Top 2 bolts. Your headlight comes out. It's connected to this...
Neck bone. Oh.
Yeah. To this little ball right here, and you just pop it off.
I guess it looks like kind of a heavy unit there. Got a big
It
heat
weighs
sink?
some pounds. Yeah. Like this thing's actually heavy, this projector beam.
Well, geez.
Like, look at that thing.
Yeah.
It's pretty mighty.
Generates a lot of heat. Huh? What are we doing, Brian?
We're going to put a hole in Ben's brand new bike.
It has 20 miles on it. You're going to drill a hole in it?
I love this part.
Yeah, that's the best part when somebody else's bike.
So what we're using to mount these hour lights is they are, again, factory KTM fog light mount holes.
Just like the 790. I could have just rerun that video, dude.
Literally right here, there are 2 holes. Right there and right there. That's where the factory fog lights mount. We're just using the inner hole because ours is a single stud.
Such good camera work right now. 2 at once is hard. Eee, my butthole's so puckered. At least you're not using a step bit this time, where you have to pull out on time like before.
Pull out in time.
So that is super slick looking. That's the advantage of using the factory mounting points, is it just looks like it belongs there. It's that's badass.
I like it.
So annoyed I got rid of sold my 790 just because it was so well set up and looked so good.
That wasn't good looking, but...
How's your fishing expedition going, Darryl?
going very well. We're gonna make this look all factory-like.
It's good because I can tell the difference. You can tell if I did it because there's a load of electrical tape and splicing. What the hell's this thing? Is that my ECU?
That's like
I'm
your...
kidding. It's under the seat.
yeah, that's... I think that's some
Light controller?
alarm or something.
Oh,
It goes
where?
like here.
That's how KTM tracks you.
Yeah. You're not riding your bike enough.
Oh, you didn't do the oil change. Void warranty. 601 miles.
So, each one of our kits comes with ACC1 and ACC2 dongles so that you can plug into these factory connectors and you get lots of extra business to plug into.
I took advantage of that when I put the GPS on the 790. It was very easy. And I knew right where it was because you had shown me. But it was quick to just plug that in. So we're being clear. You don't lose extra connection because they have a thing that adds more. So
Gain them.
yeah,
actually.
you plug in the lights and you still have
Yep.
more connections than you had.
And if you had something plugged in here previously using these flat spade connectors, we have flat spade connectors.
Same.
on
It's
this.
very well thought out.
Move them.
Daryl's always just like weaving baskets back here. Like it's the
Sometimes it seems that
the
way.
most tedious job.
Yellow with back stripe is ground.
Yes. On the whole bike, on the bike side, black with yellow is great.
Yeah, okay.
That's what
there's
you're
a-
paying for. Brian does the research. He makes the mistakes so you don't have to.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So brown on this pigtail is not going to be ground.
No. Brown is your running tail power.
Well, that's a fine. How do you do?
Yeah. That's just
Hey,
how they
language, okay?
do it. Language.
You can just call
And
these
you learn
guys
something.
if you buy something, because,
Yeah.
and I know that for a fact because the guy I sold my 792 called Daryl like 40 times, and like,
He said, "Who does this Ben guy?"
and Daryl answered all his questions and helped him out. So that's a great thing about, and that's why I like to support local companies that are just people. It's just these two. So like, if you call, you're gonna get
Well,
these
you
two.
might get Terry or Sandra.
Or they're
And we're
or
trying to work on
a family
Marcel,
member.
but, you know.
Yeah. And if you haven't seen the Cyclops stuff before, which I'd be surprised at this point, but hey, new subscribers every day. You'll notice they're not adding any switches because everything is activated with the factory switches. So the lights come on when your lights are on, the high beams come on when you flick the high beams. It is not adding anything to your bars or cluttering up. It's just slick and simple. You're saying to yourself right now, this sounds like a Cyclops commercial. Well, yeah. I mean, but I like to support the people that make good products that I know that are my friends. So that is why we're making this video. So, you figured it out.
Okay, testing.
Whoa!
Oh, yeah.
It's
It
yeller.
says race. When you turn the thing on.
It's ready to race.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh.
That's safety yellow.
Can't look at that. It's eye-catching, too.
Yeah.
And it cuts right through the fog. So
Sir.
nice.
Hey, they're on the right side.
I hope so.
Yeah,
Nice.
actually did something right. How
Flicker
about a
does
brake
actually
light?
show up on camera. That's good.
Oh, there you are. There you are. Yeah, we need to set a blinkers.
Missed it.
And I was like, yeah, well, I'm done with the 390, so if you get any adventures in, let me know. And he's like, we have 2. Well, thanks again, guys, for coming down here. It's just nice to have personal installers when you order quality products, but we also just like hanging out, so like any excuse to hang out for a while. But Brian's going to talk to us about the, what are these called again?
The Aries.
Aries, yes.
What we did, we put on our brand new Aries 3 lights because they have 3 separate emitters and they give us a nice like 15-20 degree spread. There's not like a single focus hotspot area, but it gives you a good punch down range and spread out to the sides. Fantastic light. It comes with the yellow covers on it, which you can choose to put on or off. We have them hooked up on Ben's bike through our Skene dimmer, so they'll come on at a low.
It'll be oscillating on the camera.
Yes.
Well, not then, but it isn't in real life. It's just what the way the camera looks.
Yeah, so anytime you hit high, they go up to 100% automatically. No extra switches on the handlebars, none of that business. And the low level is selectable. You can adjust that all through the handlebar switches, no problem.
This install is so slick looking too. Like I keep saying it looks factory, but it's because you use the factory mounting points, so that it makes sense.
That's why.
Yeah.
You still get full turn out of the whole thing, just clears. So you don't have to worry about any of that. The wiring's really easy. Most of it's in behind the headlight housing here. Your ACC 1 and 2 connections are over here. Super simple to do. Back of the bike, we put on our Skene P3 TS system, which stands for turn signal. So what we got, you have a conspicuancy flicker when you're in regular running mode. You hit the brakes, you get a very bright, flashy sequence, let people know that you're on the binders. And when you hit the turn signals, it also flashes along with your turn signals to let you know you're turning. Very important, because on most bikes, all you get is this little tiny brake light.
Yes. So not.
And you do see those lights flicker. They are flickering.
Yes.
You can turn that on or off. I would suggest people leave it on. Some people say it's annoying. Well, that's the whole idea. It's annoying, and it'll keep those cagers off your ass.
For sure.
100%. You can turn it off with a couple different actions with the brake pedal, but leave it on. It'll keep you safer.
So I will link everything that they put on the bike in the description, and don't forget that I have a promo code. Dork in the Road saves you 10% on the Cyclops website, and they have a full range of really cool lighting and other accessories. I'm a little disappointed we didn't put the turn signals on because their Tough Light turn signals are so awesome. You've seen them on my other bikes. I have them on my 450 right now, in fact. But that's coming soon. I'm going to get those as soon as the kit's ready. So check out the website. And these guys, like I said, local company. It's not some corporate entity owned by some out of the country. It's just some guys in their shop putting lights on people's bikes because they want people to see you. Happy to support Cyclops. Always fun to work with them. And put that link in the description for you. Any final thoughts, boys?
Thank
ride.
you. Yeah. And next time, by the way, you're going to come to us.
Yeah, I keep
Our
saying
shop.
that. I keep saying that. At some point, I got to cut. It's only 5 hours.
I have a spare bedroom.
Excellent!